The 15th of August is celebrated as Independence Day in India with great pride and enthusiasm. On the 15th of August, 1947, India became free from British rule. Pandit Nehru hoisted the national flag of independent India from the Red Fort. The British ruled India for nearly 200 years. The Indian struggle for freedom was a series of historical events that aimed at bringing an end to British rule, during which the British soldiers physically abused many Indians. Many freedom fighters gladly embraced death to set India free. After Bengal was partitioned in 1905, the Swadeshi and boycott movement were launched in the country. People burned foreign goods and took to the charkha to spin clothes. Gandhiji introduced Satyagraha, a novel method of mass agitation emphasizing truth, non-violence, and peaceful protests. The Indian National Army under the leadership of Subhash Chandra Bose launched an attack against the British rule from the outside soil. During the Quit India movement of 1942, the Indians demanded an end to British rule. Lord Mountbatten, the last Viceroy of India, was assigned to transfer power, which led to the birth of an independent India, but at the great cost of the country being divided. Let us not forget the sacrifices made by our forefathers. Let us cherish and preserve this hard-earned freedom.